14th annual dinner dance. Thank you so much for coming. Time out, guys. Remember saying fast. Time out. We need only 15 minutes, then we're going to leave you alone. You enjoy yourself as much as you can.
We have 3 minutes.
Vesta's here. Leslie is using our wheelchair, so...
Yeah, Vesta!
And next year is going to be even better. She's going to come out with me full force. Alright, she's going to make a couple announcements and then we'll start from there and then I'll finish up.
Thank you, Walter. Thank you, Amanda. Didn't they look good walking in and dancing? You know, I missed out the most because my passion and love is dancing. Unfortunately, I could not perform tonight, but I'm a little bit better than last year.
Vlado, she's not going to perform tonight.
No. Zaboravi, Vlado. Nema čemu da se nadaš.
Good luck, Vlado. Give an apple martini, you know what?
Dragi prijatelji i gosti, Poljanci su domišljaci, svi mještani koji ste ovdje večeras sa nama, svi dobri ljudi, ja vas od srca pozdravljam i zahvaljujem što ste došli da još jednu godinu provedemo zajedno i da nastavimo ovu našu tradiciju. Nemojte da se to, kako bi rekli naši stari, satane, jer inače svaku godinu ako nas je manje i manje od toga nema ništa. Želim vam reći da ova godina, svi skoro znate da sav čisti prihod ide za klimu i grijanje naše crkve Svete Eufemije. Sigurna sam da ste dosta vi već obavješteni od toga, već je to počelo, radovi treba da budu završeni krajem 5. početkom 6. mjeseca. Ukupni troškovi što se tiče klime i struje $23.000 otprilike. Prema tome, svaki vaš dolar što nam date i što nam ostane ide da podmirimo te račune koje moramo platiti za cijelu taj veliki projekt. Mnogi od vas će reći da to nije trebalo, a mnogi od vas godinama i godinama prigovaraju nećemo u crkvu, nema klime, slabo nam je u zimi, zima nam je. Tako eto, napravili smo nešto što mislim da ćete svi biti zadovoljni i majstor je naš Sutomiščak, moj dobar i dragi prijatelj Darko Profaca, svima vama poznati, tako da imamo makar povjerenje u majstora, neće nas prevariti, kako svi kažu da tamo varaju. Ok, velika hvala svima sponzorima, ženama koji su pekle kolače. Edo, ti si jedan od njih, gdje je Edo? Jedini muškarac koji peče kolače. Jedini. I sam Miša jaja. Prema tome, ne znam, Edo, svaka ti čast. Spadaš u jednu super kategoriju.
You're one of the girls now.
Osoblju La Fortune, Jeri, Ojdanu i našem prijatelju Peru Huzoviću koji nam je poklonio Jelena, nažalost nije ovdje večera sa nama, tako imamo divljač, Jelena Palente. I da ne zaboravim na kraju naše divne, zgodne muzičare. Damir, jedan aplauz za Damira. Branko Lerda i grupa Nova. Dečki, svirajte, zabavljajte nas i ona kako ide, nećemo doma jer još je rano. Važi. Ok, drugo, ne znam ni sama, svima hvala koji su mi pomogli na košarama, na celofanu, na papirima, na computer work. Big thanks to everybody who all participated And one more thing, ladies and gentlemen. Most of you do respond if you're coming or not. A lot of you still do not call. Please, it's only a phone call away. We need to know more or less, are you attending or you are not attending? You're not going to be responsible to make a payment if you don't show up. But we need to know more or less because of food, tables. I requested 35 tables. Maybe today would have been enough 30 tables. You understand what I'm saying? It's important that we know that you call who is coming. All right, now Walter, and then we're going to have a Barbara who will say a prayer and a moment of silence for all our beloved ones who are no longer here today, especially Milenko Pantalon. We have not this year, no pursuit from him, so, and nobody else is donating pursuit, but he will always be remembered with his great raffle that he used to give us. Thank you, Walter.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to just tell you that, again, thank you very much for everything. You guys are great. You know, now the next project is our expenses for the air conditioning. It's not going to be big, but you know, the whole year we're going to find out exactly how much they're going to use it. So we're going to maybe a little bit help from us over here. So whatever you donate, it's going to go to a great cause. So hopefully for the next, this is the 14th year, hopefully it continues for many, many more years. Now can you please all stand? We're going to have a moment of silence. Barbara, can you come up here please? First of all, a moment of silence for all our relatives, uncles, aunts, fathers, who are deceased. We're always with them. We always love them, whoever they are. And may they rest in peace. And hopefully some days we will see them one way or another. Please, a moment in silence. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the evening and be on the dance floor as much as you can because this is once a year we do this, so make the most of it. Barbara, can you bless the food that we're receiving today?
Hvaljen Isuse Marija. U ime Otca i Sina i Duha Svetoga. Amen. Oče naš koji jesi na nebesima, sveti se ime Tvoje, dođi kraljestvo Tvoje, bude volja Tvoja, kako na nebu, tako i na zemlji. Molimo se, daj nam danas i opusti nama dugove naše, kako i mi opuštamo dužnicima našim, i ne uvedi nas u napast, nego izbavi nas od zla. Amen. Zdravo Marijo, milosti puna, Gospodin s Tobom, blagoslovljena ti među ženama i blagoslovljen plod utrobe Tvoje, Isus. Sveta Marijo, Majko Božja, moli za nas griješnike, sada i na času smrti naše. Slava Otcu i Sinu i Duhu Svetomu, kako bjaše na početku, tako i sada i vaza i u vijeke vjekova. Amen. Bože, blagoslovi sve nas ovdje okupljene, blagoslovi hranu koju ćemo blagovati, to te molimo po Kristu Gospodinu našemu. Amen. Dobar tek svima.
Još samo jednu minutu, skoro sam zaboravila, možete sjesti. Ukratko, 2 minute, ovo je za moje Poljance koji su nedavno dali donaciju za igralište Bobac. Dobila sam jučer pismo koji je mladež i molim vas samo minut tišine. Oni žele da vas svih ovdje pozdravimo danas, zaželili su vam dobru zabavu i njihovo zahvalno pismo. Drage Poljanke i Poljanci, drage Sutomiške i Sutomiščaci, dragi gosti, dragi seljenici, veliko nam je zadovoljstvo da povodom vaše fešte imamo priliku obavijestiti vas da uređenje okoliša i samog igrališta na Bovcu privodili smo kraju. Zahvaljujući najviše velikom htjenju i entuzijazmu kojeg imamo, uspjeli smo u našoj namjeri te sa ponosom možemo reći da sasvim sigurno Poljana ima, ako ne najveći, onda najljepši sportski centar na hrvatskim otocima i jedan od najljepših u Dalmaciji, a možda i šire. Uostalom, to su potvrdili mnogi gosti našeg maloga mjesta. Zahvaljujemo na pomoću, strpljenju i dragovoljnom radu mnogim mještanima i mladeži Poljane, te naravno svima vama koji ste odvojili svoj novac i preusmjerili ga na račun udruge Poljansko srce, sa kojim smo financirali uglavnom završni dio izgradnje. Zahvalnice će biti dostavljanje svima vama osobno. Poljana je još uvijek tu, svaki danom sve lipša i neće nider uteći. Mi koji smo u njoj fizički i vi koji ste sa Poljanom u mislima i srcu, trudit ćemo se da je svima nama i našoj budućoj generaciji ostavimo na diku i ponos. Vama i vašim obiteljima šaljemo pozdrav i još jedno velika hvala. Dobro zdravlje, lijepi provod, ugodnu zabavu. Predsjedništvo i članovi udruge Poljansko srce, vaš Tomislav Ivanov Gazda.
When the food comes out, we will start, you know, the routine. Mothers with children first, and then everybody over 65.
pjesme glas. Ponekad ti prosti grijehe tvoje, što si mene varala ti. Ponekad ti prosti grijehe tvoje, nevjerna moja ljubavi. Amen. Dok slušam nježno pjesmu ona, meni se čini da čujem njen glas. Ja nikad neću znati da ovo je to.
Okay, ready? Ready, hold on. Put on your face.
What is that? Oh my
Okay,
God.
I'll take the picture. Wait, no, a little bit longer. Okay, hold it like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. This is when my father was working on the boiler. I was using this to look under with my watch.
Hvala lijepa, evo da smo zagrijamo. Anu prije večera još jedan balcerić. Može da mi da? Baciš u mandolinu pa što bude. Uživaj u igri Košarkaša.
Live Facebook, so like a bunch of people in Stomišica. Excellent. Little Sandal thing. So you say you're in Stomišica this year? You are?
August 11th to September 1st, yeah. Excited.
Oh my God.
He's gonna love it.
You're gonna love it there, right?
Running on the push up. Take it on the street.
Okay. How's
It's like a little crochet ring in there. But it looks like
next year, we'll start next year with the 15th year. I'd like to see him. Oh my God, they're so gorgeous, all three of them. So gorgeous.
I mean, that's what we live for.
I'm so
You got
lucky.
your daughter, but I mean, I got grandchildren.
Oh my God, you're so lucky.
That's my girlfriend.
This one and the little boy, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at
And this is my girlfriend,
Oh, okay.
Cecilia.
Oh, that's nice.
yeah, it's exactly like those roof those.
Are you big time? No. Oh, no. How's she doing?
She has a big work, so big. You
I think it will be
bless
very
the
fast.
father, bless the brother, you know, the brother doesn't feel good. So
It will
they
be very tired. Yeah, you're right, yeah.
Are they going to go to Europe? Hopefully.
Of course, yeah, that's not a problem, yeah.
Your husband is here?
Yes, he's here too, yep. Good? Yeah. All right. Well, feed the guys, feed the guys.
Nisam mogla, si vidjela. Ja mogu šuljati. I cannot skip.
I know, I know.
Because I never want to bend it. Ja sam htjela benji.
Nah, stop. It's okay, baby, I know. It'll be good.
I guess the kivaju ovaj dan. Oh yeah?
Oh, yes.
Is
live.
it?
Yes, live, yes.
No. It's live.
Sve ste čuli, sve iz početka ste čuli.
Stvarno. Oh no.
Yes.
When I was up there?
Yes, they heard you all.
No, live.
Yes.
Good, good, good. Lijepi pozdrav svima.
You're good, you're good.
And live.
If I bet I would take Kansas and everything.